Hey y'all, it's KraftsbyJazzy. I just wanted to do a quick update video for you guys to tell you what's going on and why I haven't posted a bunch of videos like before. We've had some huge projects that we've been doing and had to get done. So we got a new couch and we updated the boys' room a little bit with furniture, so they have a new bunk bed and things like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on and to know that I've been thinking about you guys and that I will be posting some new DIY videos soon, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I want to show you our new little couch setup for our living room. It's not completely done yet. Right here, I want to put some more pillows. I'm thinking of kind of like the navy bluish color to go along. And then as you can see, I have a blank wall. It's really a high wall. So I plan to put some decor up there. And I actually have a little surprise that I'm gonna show you in the next clip of what I bought. And I am kind of super excited. Of course, it's not from Dollar Tree, but it is from Ross. And I'm super excited because it was super cheap. I could not believe that it was that price, honestly. So it's a picture frame, but it's super cute. So I'm probably going to be putting it right over here somewhere. And of course some more decor for like kind of like the farmhousey theme. So just stay tuned to see some other little updates we're doing, so that way you can see that I'm doing little updates around the house. So that's why I've been so busy. Alright guys, so check out this frame that I found at Ross. Super cute. It has like two keys, one at the top, one at the bottom. And if you look, really good. It's got like a kind of like a gray, almost not really whitish, but kind of like a tannish color. So it's really cute. I love that look. And guys, look how cheap it was. And yes, that is the right price. I got it for $13.99. I can't believe it. But so I'm thinking of putting it up back here on this wall. So I don't know what you guys would think. Kind of give you an idea of what it would look like against the back here. Of course, not on the couch, but back here. And I think it's gonna look super cute. So it's not super big, but now I know you guys are probably wondering, well, it's gonna be so small on this wall. Well, I plan to do some other, you know, farmhouse decor stuff. And far up here, we're gonna mount our projector. So we used to have it on like a, what's it called? A wall stand or something in the middle. But now we're just gonna mount it up a little bit higher. So that way I get the wall more. And it's gonna be super cute. So can't wait. And then of course over here, I'm gonna put some more DIY decor pieces, or some farmhousey, kind of rustic, maybe boho-ish. I don't know yet, but just to blend it in. So can't wait. So stay tuned, guys.